What's going on, YouTube? So, we're doing plumbing today, and this is my house. I bought it 6 months ago, and it's been a shitload of work. This is my uncle, my tío Joaquin.
Hey, bro!
What's happening?
Pinches broncas me metes.
So, in order to do a good copper plumbing job, you need to prep all of the copper plumbing and do it appropriately. Everything has to be clean. Check it out. He's applying a compound which will aid in the soldering process. I'm just fitting these on, and without that, we call it manteca because it kind of looks like manteca. We're Mexican, if you couldn't tell. And so once you add that, then you can go ahead and begin soldering. Without that compound, soldering would be pretty much impossible. But you gotta make sure that the plumbing gets nice and scuffed up. You see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of, we took some sandpaper and just scuffed that up. This is the compound that you have to use. And he's gonna go ahead and start preheating the material. You want to position yourself in a way where you can kind of get around the whole plumbing, or the whole pipe. He's preheating it in order to get it hot enough so that when he goes ahead and starts feeding in that wire, the soldering wire, it melts almost upon contact. Yeah. So that's, as you can tell, that's a pretty shitty torch. We just bought that at the Home Depot kit. It comes with like a little bit of that white paste looking stuff, some soldering wire, and yeah, it kind of goes out every once in a while, but fuck it. It was cheap. It was like 29 bucks. It's enough to make a couple like soldering bonds, but if you're gonna do a big ass job, I recommend that you get some more wire, soldering wire, and some more of that white paste. So when it melts, there's in physics, there's a force. When heat is introduced, it kind of sucks in that soldering material when it is in its what's it called? Water state, or not water, I'm sorry. It's liquid state. So when it's in its liquid state, the heat will actually suck it into the space in between, and that's what creates a pretty good weld or soldering job. You just want to make sure that you go and get all around the pipe so that it all gets sucked in. Uh-huh. So I'll be uploading more videos. Hope you found that educational. This is just a quick little quick tip video, just in case you're a DIYer at this. Alright guys, later.